Our journey has been one of innovation, excellence, and progress. Starting in 1922, Wilhelm Loh paves the way with a small machine manufacturing workshop for the production of sheet metal cans. His son, Satisloh, takes over the company during the tumultuous times of World War II, and with his continuous efforts, puts Loh on the world map as one of the leading manufacturing brands of optical machinery. In Italy, Delio Cipriso sets up the company Satis Vacuum and starts manufacturing coating machines for the ophthalmic industry. Both Satis Vacuum and Loh develop pioneering products and technologies, constantly pushing industry boundaries. Finally, in 2005, Loh and Satis Vacuum merged to become Satisloh, a full-range supplier for the international optical industry. 2006 is the year of the first SLUGFest, hosted by our North American office. After joining Essilor, Satisloh continues to grow, expanding into Brazil and China and launching new generations of high-tech optical manufacturing machines. From humble beginnings to becoming a global leader in turnkey solutions for ophthalmic and precision optical lenses. We have come a long way. Welcome to our 10th SLUGFest, where we are celebrating the art of making lenses. Reimagine. Reimagine efficiency through faster and smarter machines and the next level of intelligent software and automation. Reimagine simplicity with streamlined processes and eliminated steps, reducing complexity, cost, and time. Reimagine sustainability. Discover environmentally friendly processes and the circularity of lens making. Reimagine partnership with new service approaches and smart consumables management to maximize your lab's potential and provide peace of mind. The art of making lenses, reimagined.